is Mei from OK Storage. OK Storage is an experienced pallet racking manufacturer in China. Today I want to ask you two questions. Number one, what is the minute time from design to production for your pallet racking? And the number two, how to save time and cost in your warehouse. This video can tell you or you can get much tips in your shipping costs. The customer only give us a warehouse layout and some pallet information, so we designed the warehouse pallet racking for him just according to these informations. And finally, the customer is very satisfied and placed an order with us. If you also need a warehouse pallet racking system, you also can contact us. We can support you one-stop storage solution from consultation, design, installation to after-sales service. Besides this, we also have other many advantages such as 10 years variety, exclusive design, for example, and free consultation. We also have flexible ways of payment and lightning delivery time within 10 to 15 days. Such as this customer, he has to store his products immediately, so the delivery time is very urgent. So we just took 80 days to help the customer to rush out the pallet racking system. As I said before, our customer is in a hurry, so this time we choose the shipping directly from the Shanghai port. Compared with the shipping from the nearby port of Nanjing, shipping from Shanghai port can save at last 5 to 6 days. Okay, now here is the first one container we are loading. Let's see the details. Now we are loading the first container. You can see the forklift driver is loading the beans, and we put the bean in the front of the container. You can see here we have a trailer, and the driver will put the upright on the trailer first. Now you can see the driver has put it on the trailer and the wood. So here has a space that later you can use the forklift to push it into the container. You can see in this container we put the upright on near the container door. Why we put them here? You can guess first and I will tell you later. Now you can see the driver is putting the frame protector on the upright. Of course, we want to make full use of the space, so we put frame protector on the upright. Then the forklift driver will push them all into the container. And now our workers are using the belt to fix the frame protector with the upright so that it can close them together and avoid them rub each other or falling down during the shipment. Okay, now the first container has been finished loading and it is driving to be weighted. There is a funny story during this order. As common shipment method, we need 440 HQ containers and 120 GP containers. But we think it will take much shipping costs, so we talk about it with our factory and change the loading plan. Can we load all products in just 440 HQ containers? Let's see. Okay, you can see our forklift driver is still putting the upright package near the container door this time. Just now I asked you why we do so. Because it is easier to load so long upright into the container. Also, it can easier for our customer to unload this big package. Okay, now you can see our workers is putting an airbag between the two packages. This airbag can put you in this space between the package and can avoid the package shaking during the shipment, even protect the package from falling down. Okay, now this container has been finished and the driver is driving to it to weigh the weight. Now the third container has arrived at the warehouse and our worker is begin to the loading. Now the third container has already been finished loading, but there still have some space left, so we plan to load some bracing to save the space. Okay, now the third container has been finished and leaving Nanjing to the Shanghai port. Now we are beginning the loading now. Today is the finish, so the last container is arrived here later, and it is 5 o'clock. But we have no choice. We must stay here and wait for the container and finish the loading. Our workers is going to load all products here and plan if we can load all rest of our products into the 4th container. If we can, so that we do not need to order another 120 GP containers again, so we can save much shipping cost. Because we want to load all products into 4 containers a day, so we now left just some small package. They are measure the length of each package and plan how to load these goods into this container. Now we have finished the first loading and we successfully to load all products into 4 containers today. Good job. Okay, now the last container is leaving our factory, and because it's so dark, so they have to turn on the phone light and take pictures. If you are interested in our company and our products, please subscribe us and you can learn more about us.